Welcome to Rustbuster Framework's installation guide for Jeep's 2007 to 2018 JK Wrangler. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in these instructions, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards, such as leaking fuel lines and engine components, and repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or jack your vehicle and support it with jack stands. Step 3. Remove any factory or aftermarket accessories and drop your gas tank for purposes of safety and to gain clear access to your vehicle's frame. Step 4. First, remove your muffler, giving you access to the inner frame. Next, with a 5/8 socket, remove the 2 bolts from each of the track bar brackets and press it down and out of the way of the frame. With a 10mm socket, remove the bolt for your brake line and push it down and out of the way. Step 5. Our part assumes the customer wants to repair the rear crossmember, rear body mount, and muffler bracket too. If you do not wish to, you will need to alter our part to fit around these areas. Clean away any dust and debris, allowing for clean cuts and measurements. Step 6. Hold our part up to the frame, roughly lining up the hole locations. Mark your intended line to cut, removing as much rust as possible while retaining a safe and weldable margin. Step 7. Following proper safety precautions, begin cutting along your drawn line. Step 8. Grind away any rough edges and attempt to push the part into place. Compare the fitment to the frame on the opposite side while ensuring the frame holes line up. Once corrected, C-clamp and tack weld the part into place. Step 9. While following proper safety precautions, begin welding the part to the frame completely and around all edges. Step 10. Coat the part with a primer to prevent rust from forming over time and begin reassembling your vehicle. Finally, reconnect your battery and you're done.